Hello students. Today we will start our first chapter, that is exploring the computer. In it we will learn about computer and its basic parts. So first of all come to know about computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that receives input, store it for a period of time, then process it according to a set of instruction and gives the user with an output. Means computer first take input from the user, then it process it, then give the outputs. In other ways we can say that computer is an electronic device which converts data into information. Computer works with the help of its various hardware and software components. So now let us learn what are hardware and software components. The computer system has two main components which when both combine make a computer system work. Means hardware or software cannot work alone. They combine together to work on the computer. Means user have to give inputs, then process it with the help of some software, then give output on hardware devices. Means for example, the user give input with the help of input device, then process it on processing device, then give output on output devices. Now let us learn about the first component, that is hardware. Hardware means the physical structure of a computer, that is the parts that can be touched by us. All the components attached to the computer. Means hardware is that part of a computer which we can touch it. It is also called physical structure. These devices are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer. All these are hardware. Later, this hardware are categorized into three categories, that is input devices, means through which we give input to the computer, that is keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. Next one is CPU, the processing unit, means the data processed on CPU, that is processing unit. Now come to the next one is output devices, means the processed data show on output devices like monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Now let us learn through this. The user have to input to the computer with the help of input devices. Here you can see keyboard. If we type something from keyboard, then it process it in processing unit, that is CPU, then show us the output on output device, that is monitor. So computer work on this principle only. Come to the next one, next component, that is software. Without a software, the computer is just like a box only, electronic box only. Software enables the hardware to work on the computer. It needs certain programs, computer needs certain programs to do some work. Software is a general term used to describe a collection of computer programs, procedures and documentation that perform some task on a computer system. Means software are the set of programs that allows us to work on the computer. Software includes websites, programs, video games, etc. Later, this software is two types: application software and system software. Application software means like paint program, calculator, games, etc. And system software are operating system means Windows 7, Windows 8, etc. All these are the type of software. To work on the computer, we need this type of software for a specific kind of work. Now come to the next topic, buttons and ports on the computer. As you can see in CPU box, there are lots of ports and buttons through which the input or output devices are connected. The front of the system unit. Here it is a front picture of this CPU box of computer system. Here we have one power button. To switch on the computer, we need to switch on this power button on CPU box. Next is CD drive or DVD drive. Here you can say here is a CD drive or DVD drive. Here you can put the CD and play some movies also and watch videos. The next one is USB ports. Here you can see USB ports. Through this you can connect your USB devices such as pen drives. Now next, audio ports. Here is the audio ports. Through this you can able to listen audio with the help of headphone. In this port you connect the headphones and listen the music on computer. So these are the front of the system unit. Now come to the next, back of the system unit means back portion of the CPU box. Here first we have power socket. Here we connect our power cable through which electricity comes. Next, audio ports, that is audio in and audio out. Next is here you can see audio ports. Through this we can input the audio or listen the music means output of audio also with the help of microphones and headphones. The next one is Ethernet cable. Here you can say here is Ethernet cable. In this we can able to connect our networking devices. Means through this we can connect to other devices. We can connect to other CPU also. Now next, PS2 ports. Here you can see PS2 ports. These ports generally used for connecting a mouse and keyboard to the computer. Now next is USB ports. Here you can see USB ports. Most of the USB ports is in computer are situated on the back side of system unit. Here you can see. You can use these devices to connect a pen drive, okay, or other USB devices. Now come to the next one, that is monitor port. Here you can see monitor port. In this port you can connect your monitor. Now next is parallel port. This type of port generally are used to connect printers. So these all are front and back view of the system unit, that is CPU. Now our topic computer and its basic part are completed.